Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can transfer the live chat to your team member. So let's get started. Simply log in to your BotPenguin account and open the inbox. And I have initiated this live chat as of now. And in case I want to transfer this live chat to one of my team member now, so I will simply click on this option, transfer on the left hand side, and I will get the name of all the team members that I have on my account. Let's say I want to transfer this chat to this person Faisal, so I will simply click on this and live chat request is sent to Faisal. You can see this now from here. And in case your team member wants to transfer the chat to someone else, so in that case we need to check few things. Firstly, you have to click on this more option, go to member section. Now all the team members that you have, they will be listed here. Just click on this edit option under the action tab, and here is the option select lead reassign permission for the team member. So here you can set can reassign all chat, can reassign all chat, on chat. So if you enable the settings from here according to the permission that you will set, the team member will have and permission to transfer the live chat. Alright, so that's all about this video, how you can transfer the live chat to your team member. If you have any query, you can simply reach us out at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Bye.